Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is like a M2 SSD. This is a M2 NVMe SSD from Western Digital. So I got it around some for 3,300 rupees. Okay, so this is a 250 GB SSD. You can use it for desktop or laptop. Okay, this is the M2 model, guys. It's not a traditional model, so it will be like this. Okay. Actually, it provides nearly like 4 to 5 times of the SATA speed. Actually, okay. The price they mentioned is around 5,700 rupees, but during this offer, actually, you can get it for around 3,300 rupees, even in the Flipkart or Amazon.com. So I'll leave link in the description below. You can check it out if you're interested. Okay, let's open this. Okay, this is yeah, this is very small, guys. Actually, this is very small. This is the technical support, right? Now the main thing is actually they don't give any screwdriver. Actually, that's a big problem. They don't give any screws. Even any of the model if you take, right? They don't give any screws. Yeah, and also while handling, make sure that don't touch this part. Make sure you should not touch this part. Yeah, this is the M2 SSD. There is also NVMe SSD, guys. Okay, because some a few of the laptops it supports this M2 and I mean NVMe SSD. It's very small, guys. If you can see, I can hold in this hand, right? It's like this. Okay. Yeah, that's all about it, guys. Actually, so I'll leave link in the description below. If you're interested, you can go and purchase the product. Okay. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can post in the comment section. I'm also going to do the next video actually to see like how to install on my Lenovo IdeaPad. Yeah, in the Lenovo IdeaPad laptop, actually, I have this M2 SSD, so I'll show you how to do it. That is a Lenovo IdeaPad. Yes, the 300 series, I believe. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, guys. I'll give the iCard. You can check it out. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, you can post in the comment section. Thank you, guys. See you later. Bye bye. Take care.